Stop right there. If your hair is thinning fast, your hairline is receding, or your scalp feels itchy, flaky, or irritated, this is not just normal hair fall. This could be your body sending a silent warning. In today's video, I will show you how normal hair fall works, how autoimmune conditions weaken your follicles, how fungal infections trigger extreme hair loss, and the scientifically proven steps that can make your hair grow 2 to 3 times faster. But before we begin, here is an important disclaimer. Autoimmune hair loss and fungal infections require a dermatologist. Home remedies cannot cure these conditions, but they can strongly support your recovery and boost hair growth. So watch this video until the end, because what I'm about to share can truly transform your hair. Normal hair fall versus dangerous hair loss. Most people lose about 50 to 100 hairs a day, and that is completely normal. However, if your hair starts falling in clumps, if bald patches appear, or if you experience severe itching, redness, or thick white flakes, these signs may indicate something more serious. There are 2 major causes you must never ignore. 1. Autoimmune hair loss, where the immune system attacks your hair follicles. 2. Fungal infections, which weaken and inflame the scalp. The good news is that both can be managed with proper medical treatment and the right growth-supporting steps that I will share now. Step 1. Autoimmune support routine. Warning: this is not a cure, only support. In autoimmune conditions, the follicles are sensitive, so gentle care becomes extremely important. Do this. Completely avoid heat styling. Do not tie tight hairstyles. Dry hair gently using a soft towel. Do light scalp massage 3 times a week. Reduce stress, because a 10-minute walk can lower hair fall hormones. Why it works. These steps improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and help strengthen fragile follicles. Step 2. Onion plus rosemary growth boost, science-based. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful natural growth boosters: the combination of onion juice and rosemary oil. Benefits of onion juice. It contains sulfur that strengthens keratin, the main hair protein. It has natural anti-fungal properties. It increases blood flow to the scalp. Benefits of rosemary oil. Clinical studies show it works similarly to 2% minoxidil for hair growth. It reduces inflammation and soothes autoimmune-sensitive scalp. How to use safely. Apply fresh onion juice to the scalp for 20 to 25 minutes. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. After towel drying, mix 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil and apply. Repeat this routine 2 to 3 times a week. Results: you may notice baby hair growth and improved thickness in 2 to 6 weeks. Step 3. Hair growth nutrition. Your hair grows from the inside. If your nutrition is weak, no oil or shampoo can fix the problem. Include these nutrients daily: protein, eggs, beans, chicken, lentils, omega-3 fats, iron, zinc, vitamin D, biotin, vitamin B7. Additional habits: drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Eat 1 fruit daily. Use green tea to reduce inflammation. Step 4. The top 3 silent hair killers. Now here are the 3 mistakes that 90% of people make without realizing it. Mistake 1. Applying oil on a fungal scalp. This makes the infection worse and increases hair fall. Mistake 2. Combing wet hair. Wet hair is 70% weaker and breaks much faster. Mistake 3. Using chemical shampoos. Sulfate and paraben shampoos strip the scalp and damage follicles over time. If you have watched this video until the end, you now know more than most people about hair fall, autoimmune issues, and fungal scalp conditions. Remember, a doctor treats the cause, but your daily routine, your nutrition, and your scalp care determine how fast your hair grows back. Make sure to like and subscribe because my next video will reveal a scalp reset method that can skyrocket your hair growth.